Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Teams to run Parents' Evening at your school. So each school has a slightly different booking system. At Danesfield we use School Cloud, where the parents can book their times with their teacher online, and there's now a booking system in Office 365 that you might want to take a look at, but we use School Cloud. So I'm going to go to Microsoft Teams and I'm going to click on my calendar. Now there's a couple of different ways that you can set up your meetings. The first way I'm going to show you is where you would set up a meeting for each individual child. So I'm going to go to New Meeting, I'm going to call it Parents' Evening, and I'm going to write the child's name just so I can see who's coming up next when I look at my calendar. So I'm going to add that child to the meeting, so that means they'll get a notification. I'm going to give the date, meeting, and the start time, and to set the expectation of the length of the meeting I'm also going to put a finish time, which is 10 minutes that we allow. So now I've done that, all I need to do is click send, and if I go to the date in my calendar I can see that I've got Parents' Evening, Hannah Morgan set up, ready to go. So the benefit of doing it this way is that each individual meeting has a timer on it, so you can see just how long the meeting's been going on for, so you can keep the time. Downside is that you do have to create a meeting for every single child, so it's a little bit more time consuming. The other way we can do it is to create one meeting that all the parents will be able to access. So I'm going to call this one Parents' Evening, and I'm just going to put my name because they all will be accessing the same meeting. I'm not going to put any required attendees. I'm going to put the dates. This one's going to be Thursday. I'm going to put the start time of my first meeting, and then the end time will be the end of the final meeting of that day. Now I'm going to add this meeting to the general channel of my class team. So that means that everyone in that team will be able to access the meeting through that link. Now I'm going to click send. So now my meeting's been created and is showing on my calendar. I can double click it to go back into the meeting details. And now I've got meeting options. So I'm going to click on that and it will open up meeting options in your web browser. Now what we're going to do now is create a lobby for the parents to wait in until it's the time that they've booked for their meeting. So you've got this option here, who can bypass the lobby. We're going to change that to only me. So you as the organiser of the meeting can go straight into the meeting. Everybody else will need to be let in by you. So I'm going to save that. So now I'm in the team and you can see that my Parents' Evening Mr. McGuinness meeting is down here, and the parents will be able to click on the link, join the meeting, and they'll have to wait in the lobby until you let them in at their time. Hope that's helpful. Check out the rest of our videos on our YouTube channel.